Hi there, it's Tim from Kango Kiwi Education Services here again. Another short video about writing 8 top tips for essay writing. Tip 1. Read the question carefully. Don't make the mistake of assuming what you're expected to do. You really must take care of what you're looking at the question. Write your essay first and also write in pencil. It makes making corrections easier and gives you more time to spend on the essay, which carries more points. Okay, tip 3, don't write one big paragraph. IELTS examiners look for the way that you've broken up your writing into the separate paragraphs. Number 4, don't use slang or overcomplicated language, and make sure that your sentences are complete. 5, try not to repeat yourself. This is all to do with practicing your paraphrasing and so on. Change the words as much as you can. 6, take 5 to 10 minutes to plan your essay. It really will save you a lot of time when it comes to the actual writing part. And 7, make sure you conclude your essay. Even if it's only a few lines, write something to tie it all up at the end. And finally, tip 8, make sure you have time to proofread and make corrections once you've written everything. Very important so that we don't miss out on the little mistakes we all make. Okay, so please have a look at our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back again with some more of these videos to help you with your IELTS practice and studies. Hope you're all keeping well, and best wishes for everything. Bye-bye.